Well, the most common question we hear at Colorado Computer Support is, how much does IT support cost? It's a very good question. It varies greatly. It's just like going to an insurance provider and saying, hey, how much is car insurance? Oh man, well, what kind of car do you drive? Let's start there. What color is it? What year is it? What model is it? There's so many factors come into play. It's the same thing with your business. There are so many factors that come into, hey, what is IT support? That it's really hard to just spit out a number. And if you want to know an average, all you can eat 24/7, 365 comprehensive, complete cover support on your entire network is going to cost you about $100 to $150 per workstation on a monthly basis. Now, a lot of people might be surprised at that number. And one thing you always want to keep into a factor or a thought whenever you're shopping and looking around for IT is, if you lost your computer network for an entire day and you had zero access to a computer, what kind of financial impact would that have on your business? How much money would be lost on that on a per hour basis or a per day basis? So factor that in of what could happen for your downtime and how fast could you be recovered to start working again if you were to lose your computers. Those are some things you want to weigh out when you're shopping and looking around for the right price. Because the cheapest doesn't always mean the fastest, because you always want to think of the aspect of my IT company is my insurance to my computers, and my computers very well be the lifeline for my company to be able to make money. Hope that helps you out. If you do have any further questions, feel free to give us a phone call. You can reach us here at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. Thank you so much.